Hey friends, today I'm sharing something a little different. I love sewing and I wanted to show you how I made this cute patchwork palazzo trouser for my daughter. If you love to see more DIYs or even tutorials, let me know. Hey guys, how are you doing today? So today I have this this is a poly fabric, a polyester fabric, I think that's what it's called. And I have different colors. These are the pieces of fabric that I have, the leftovers that are in my sewing room here. You can see I have different colors of it. So what I want to do is that I want to make a patchwork with these colors. I'm just going to, kind of make a box. Then I'll be cutting out these colors. I'll be cutting them out, then I'll be attaching in different colors. I just want to make a mismatch pattern. So after cutting it out, I have this. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Quickly set it out to the pattern that I want. You can see it's very colorful. So what I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to be attaching them. I'm going to stitch them down line by line. Look how colorful this is. Look at that beautiful girl there. You see? Now, will you be trying this patchwork? Let me know in the comments. Cutting out the pattern for the joggers that I want to make for Sissy. So that's why it is not advisable for you to throw away all the pieces of fabric or the scraps you have in your sewing room, because one day you might need it, and that is what I used to recycle this. Here are my patterns. This one is the front pattern, this one is the band, and this one is the back pattern. So as you can see, here is rough. This is the wrong side of the fabric. This is what it looks like on the right side of the fabric. So I'm just going to go ahead to stitch it down, and for me to stitch it down, I'll just get one of the back and one of the front, like this. You see, this one is one of the front and this one is one of the back. So I'm just going to place them right sides facing right sides together like you see me do here, and I'm going to go ahead to stitch down this side and stitch down this side. Then I'll now hem it. Now there is this thing that I add this thing to it, this filler, and unfortunately for me it's just remaining this small thing, so it's not going to be enough for the both legs. I'm just going to be adding this to one of the legs. So before, if I want to add this thing now, I'll just stitch down one side like this, the side seam. I'll top stitch this to the side seam before I continue with the inseam and of course the hemming part. So I'll just do that quickly and I'll show you guys. Yes, this is the filler after I have sewn it down to the cloth. This is the filler applique. So I'm just going to continue by stitching. Maybe I'll first of all hem it, then I'll fold it into two, and stitch down the inseam. I've already done that for this particular one here. See this one? I'm already done with this one, so I'm just going to go ahead to do this same thing on this one. This is it. This is almost second to the final stage. Here's the filler. So what I'm going to be doing now is that I'm just going to add our band to it and also add elastic to it. Here is it. Do please do like, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And of course, leave us a nice comment. Tell us how this trouser looks. Will you be trying it out? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.